you're gonna continue where you left off from yesterday, okay? Yesterday. So let me say drawing. All right. The kitchen, you will need to add stuff to the kitchen. The kitchen normally have three things. Where am I, bro? That's no. You need to put in the counter first. The counter in the kitchen first. Remove that. Remove that. Why did you delete it? I guess so. You're gonna need to go to AD center and add. You want three things for the kitchen, right? You want for the kitchen. You want the sink. You want the sink. Oh, okay. All right. Go ahead. Go ahead. All right. So are the three things that you want for the kitchen? Microwave? No, don't put a microwave in it.
Three main things.
All right. Go ahead. Don't put in a microwave in it. Just put the three basic things, man. Let's drag it inside here.
I'm trying. Okay.
No, it's top view, the top one, not that one. Not that one.
No, I like it. Alright, whatever.
You cannot use that one. That one's elevation.
Okay, let's delete it.
That's the top
this
view.
One?
The top, yeah. This is the top. When you start to learn about those, then you'll understand. And you want the sink. Single sink, use double sink. Use double sink. Nobody really uses single sink anymore. Yeah.
I already did that.
Okay, this is a single sink. You don't want any single sink in there. Use a double sink.
I already did.
Yeah. So bring them into the drawing now. Don't put anything else in it, man.
No, the sink.
Jeez. Don't put anything else in it, Knyhiem.
Oh, I'm done.
Just close off that now. Yeah, alright. You see, for the kitchen, you need a counter. You need a counter. So look at this. You draw the counter. You're gonna draw the counter. Use parallel. Use thing there. Use multi-line. Draw a line over that existing line.
No.
So draw a line over this line from about here, and then offset it.
Where?
So do like this. Let me show you what I want you to do. For the counter, look at this. Draw a line like, stop chopping them out, boy. Draw a line like a line. Use polyline. Draw a line like this. Look, line like this. Yeah. Line like this. Then offset it by 300. Offset it by 300. Offset. Then put in 300.
Do I press here?
So for that, you want a polyline. So this is the kitchen, right? This is the kitchen layout right here. You're going to use polyline. So you're gonna start here, then you're gonna go here, click there, and click someplace here. Click the next corner. Let's click here. Click there. Click there. And just draw it someplace down here. Anywhere you want to stop. Probably right there, yeah, stop there. Escape it down. Offset it by 300. Offset it. Oh, enter, yeah. Enter the distance you want to be 300. Let's type 300. Alright, go ahead and offset it. Just touch this, offset it, touch this. And drain a line from here to there. A line, bro. Yeah, both ends, yeah. Yeah. On the other side. No, let's start. What are you doing? Draw the line there, so on the other side. Alright. Drop in these now. Typically, this is supposed to go right over the... There should be a window right here. So move this, drop it right here. Drop it right here. Yeah. Right here. No, right here.
Yeah?
No. Close it off. Move it. No, the counter is not wide enough. Bring it over here. Click. You're going too far back, bro. Escape. No, it's okay. Let me see.
Yep.
Escape, let me see. The counter seems small now. Measure your counter, let me see what it is. Knyhiem. I think the cupboard is too close. Look at this. Guess what? Offset this by 150. Offset it by 150. This.
O F.
Yeah, 150. Enter. Offset it by 150. Enter the distance you want it to be 150. You're gonna offset this by 150. To offset means to draw a next line parallel to this. So type O enter. Enter the distance you want to offset. 150.
It's already 150.
Enter to accept it. Alright, touch this now and then move it out. Click. Yeah. Alright. Clear the command now, bro.
It's it?
Clear the command and trim and delete this one. Escape it, yeah. Delete this one. We don't want this anymore. No, delete. Just delete this. Don't trim.
You're using me.
Delete. Delete that one. No, not that one. The old one I had to draw before.
Which one?
This one. Delete this one. Alright. Use fillet now and just join both of them. Same on the other side. Yeah, both of them. Alright, good. Now you need to bring this down somewhere for it to fit right there. So move it. Alright, now you have that.
You said
the counter seems a little. I don't know if that's bigger than a regular one. I don't know. But alright. Insert. You want a thing there in it. You want that doesn't look 200. Put the other stuff in it. You're gonna put the fridge someplace in there and the stove. Alright. I'll put the fridge right here. Yeah. You need to rotate the fridge, yeah, bro. You need to rotate the fridge. Rotates at 90 degrees. Read the command bar.
Read
the command bar.
I did.
Read the command bar. 90 degrees. Type 90 degrees, bro. Read the command bar. 90 degrees. Enter.
90.
Yeah.
Now move.
Move it now. Yeah.
Wait.
Alright. What else we need? We need the stove. We need the stove.
Don't forget this.
Did you put did you insert import a stove? Alright.
No.
The range. Yeah, that. Yeah. Oh, that's it. We don't want anything else.
Oh no, I want a dishwasher.
Hey, don't put any dishwasher in it, man.
Fine.
This is not foreign.
Foreign?
Yeah.
Which foreign?
Delete that dishwasher.
Which foreign?
Delete those. Add the stove to it though. Okay, quick, put the stove probably
right here.
Okay. No, it's too close to the thing there. Yeah. No, you have to bring it over into this. Rotate it. At 90 degrees. Rotate it at 90 degrees. Read the command bar. Say select object. Oh, the base point. Okay.
Right here?
Go ahead and do it. What angle do you want it to be?
90.
Go ahead and enter 90. Enter, bro. What is that? What's that? Undo. You need to pay attention to the command bar. Undo again. Undo again. Undo. Yes. Rotate it now.
Where's this piece? 90?
Yeah. Knyhiem. Enter. You need to read the command. You're not reading the command bar. Rotate it. You need to read the command bar. What's the need to do?
Rotate, select object.
Select object. Select your object. What do you need to do now?
Rotate, select objects.
Enter to accept it.
Base point.
Specify the base point yet? Zoom in somewhere. Go ahead and trim it as well. Trim that part.
Not done.
Let me saw the kitchen now.
Fantastic.
Okay, yeah. The fridge need to go down somewhere into the corner. The fridge.
You said
You have
to put it there.
too much space here. So move it, click here and move it. No. Undo. Wrong base point to use. Just use move. Move command. Move command. Use move command. Use here. You want here to join there. Use move command and move it.
What's the base point?
Go on, man. Right there, yeah. Yeah. Just like that.
Good.
Let me see.
Now what's missing in the kitchen?
Them what's missing right now. Zoom out so I can see everything.
Daddy,
you
you're
need
missing a
you need
sink.
windows. Sink. No, sink is here. This is a sink. See a sink there, bro. I'm more
You
sink
need a
here.
pipe. It's not
Pipe. Oh, the pipe. You mean the pipe top? Okay. All right. Use this one.
This one?
Yeah. So they can drop it into it.
Good. That looks
Okay. Yeah,
perfect.
that's good. You need some windows now. Sorry. You need some windows. I'm gonna end this video now, and in the next video you'll add your windows to it. Alright? Yeah. Yeah. So you want to say something about the video?
If you enjoyed the
Come,
video,
say something about
people, I hope you enjoyed the video. And make sure you just like and subscribe. Bye.